Okay, so solving this cube is a little bit tricky. I only got the cross here. Well, how about if I build a machine to solve this thing? Well, that would be really creative. Well, on this video, I'm going to build a Lego Spike Prime machine with my kit, and it's going to solve the Rubik's Cube. I got the coding instructions from a website, and which I'm going to show by the comments section. Now I'm going to mix this up. So, I think this is good. Let's scan it. Here we go, completely solved by Lego Spike Prime. Well, anyways, thank you for watching our video, and if you need any help, just send me a comment and I'll reply to you. Probably make another video. And don't forget to subscribe for our next videos. Thank you for watching again.